You have told yourself you'd change, maybe 100 times. New year, new me, starting Monday. This is the last time. And yet, here you are, still doing the same things, still getting the same results. This isn't about motivation. You've had motivation. This is about why your brain is literally wired to keep you exactly where you are and what you can actually do about it. Stay till the end, because the third reason most people miss completely. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. Your brain cares about efficiency. It wants to do things it already knows how to do, fast, automatically, without thinking. Neuroscientists call these neural pathways. Every habit you have, every single one, is a groove carved into your brain through repetition. The deeper the groove, the more automatic the behavior. Scrolling your phone, reaching for junk food, avoiding hard conversations, all of it. Grooves. And here's the cruel part. Every time you repeat the behavior, the groove gets deeper. You're not weak, you're not broken. You are literally fighting your own biology. Here's what nobody tells you. Grooves can be replaced. Not easily, but they can be. Now here's reason number 2. And this one is sneaky. Most people try to change their actions before they change their identity. They say, I want to go to the gym, instead of, I am someone who trains. Do you see the difference? James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, puts it perfectly. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. One workout doesn't make you an athlete, but one workout is one vote, and votes stack up. The reason you keep reverting? You don't actually believe you're the kind of person who has changed. Yet, the moment you start saying, I'm becoming someone who does X, everything shifts. Your brain starts finding evidence to support that identity. Okay, here it is. Reason 3. And honestly, this one made me uncomfortable when I first understood it. You might not actually want to change, not deep down. Stay with me. Because on the surface, of course, you want a better body, more money, more discipline. But change comes with a cost. Change means you can't use your past as an excuse anymore. Change means people around you might feel uncomfortable. Change means the version of you that struggled, that relatable, sympathetic version, disappears. This is called secondary gain, the unconscious payoff you get from staying the same. Psychologists have known about this for decades, and it is brutally effective at keeping people stuck. The fix? Get brutally honest. Write down, what do I gain by not changing? Then decide if that payoff is actually worth your potential. All right, now let's talk about what actually works. Not motivation, not willpower. 3 specific things. Step 1. Environment design. Stop relying on willpower. Willpower is a depleting resource. It runs out by the end of the day. Instead, redesign your environment so the right behavior is the easy behavior. Put the gym bag by the door. Delete the app. Put your phone in another room. Win the battle before it starts. Step 2. The 2-minute rule. Whatever habit you're trying to build, shrink it down until it takes less than 2 minutes. You're not working out. You're putting on your shoes. You're not writing. You're opening the document. The starting is the habit. Once you start, momentum takes over. Step 3. Identity journaling. Every night, write 1 sentence. Today, I acted like the person I want to become by. That's it. 1 sentence. You are writing new evidence for your new identity. Over time, you believe it. And when you believe it, you become it. So let's recap. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because your brain is efficient, your identity hasn't caught up, and there's a hidden cost to changing that nobody talks about. Fix your environment, lower the bar to start, and rewrite who you are, 1 journal entry at a time. Do those 3 things consistently, and you will not be the same person in 90 days. That is not motivation. That is science. If this hit you, subscribe. I drop a new video every week on the psychology of discipline, habits, and actually building the life you keep planning for. See you next week.